Good morning, students. How are you? I am fine, and I hope you to be the same. I know you all love to do art and craft, isn't it? So, this is the first class of drawing for class 1, and today we will learn how to draw types of straight lines, shapes, and curves. We have to arrange all the necessary equipment, that is, we need a drawing copy, a ruler, sharpener, and an eraser. We have to remember few points before we start. That is, first, we must have sharpened the pencil, and second, we will draw freehand. So, are you ready? So, here we start. We'll go with the first page. We will start from here. First, we will draw a border like this, and again, like this. Now, we will divide page into four parts like this, and again like this. Okay, here we'll mention date 27th April 2020. We will write topic, that is types of straight line, TYPES types, OF of, STRAIGST straight lines, LINES type of straight lines, and at the bottom we'll mention here page number, that is 1. So let me ask you, what are lines? Anyone? Okay, a long thin mark on the surface or something is called line. So we will learn different types of straight lines, that is horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. First we will start horizontal lines. We have to draw a straight line like this. This is a horizontal line. We will draw two or three times more like this. So these are horizontal lines. We'll mention here HORIZONTAL, horizontal lines, LINES, horizontal lines. We'll move to second, that is vertical lines. So this is a vertical line. We'll draw two or three times more like this. These are vertical lines. We'll mention here VERTICAL, vertical, LINES, vertical lines. Now we'll move to slanting lines. We will learn two types of slanting lines. We have to draw here like this. Again we will repeat it like this. Okay, now we'll move to another one. You have to draw like this. Again you have to repeat it like this. So these are slanting lines. SLANTING A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting lines, L-I-N-E-S. So these are horizontal lines, these are vertical lines, and these are slanting lines. Horizontal lines are also known as sleeping lines. Vertical lines are also known as standing lines, and slanting we can call it diagonal. Okay, now we will move to, we will make border here. We will mention date here. We will write topic here. Shapes, S-H-A-P-E-S. A shape is an outline of an object. We will draw all shapes freehand. We will learn triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. We will start with triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. We will use 2 slanting lines and 1 horizontal line. Like this, and a horizontal line. This is a triangle. We will write here triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Now we will move to second one, that is square. A square has 4 sides of equal length, and we will use 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines to make a square. Like this. So this is a square. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Now we will move to third one, that is rectangle. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. Again we will use 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. Like this. Like this. This is length and this is breadth. So this is a rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. In square, all the sides are of same length, while in rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Now the fourth one, that is circle. A circle is a shape that is made up of a curved line. So this is a circle. We'll mention here C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. At last, we'll mention the page number here, that is 2. Now we'll move to third page. Again, we will draw border here. And the format will be same. You will mention date here. You will write topic here. Curves, CURVES, V-E-S. A curve is a bent line which is not straight. We'll learn different types of curves. You have to make it like this. Again, practice it 2 or 3 more times here. Another curve like this. Again, you have to practice it 2 or more times here. Again, you have to repeat it here 2 more times. And last, like this. And repeat it 2 more times here. And at last, we'll mention page number here, that is 3. I hope you loved it and practice drawing these lines, and you can show it to your parents as well as friends. So, children, keep smiling, be happy, stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Thank you.